hello මේ මගේ මේ MacBook Pro එකක් තියෙනවා 2013 එකක් මේ ඒකේ අර SSD එකේ issue එකක් තියෙනවා question mark එක එන්නේ සුදු පාට වෙලා screen එක මේ ඒක fix කරන්න පුළුවන්ද ඔයගලන්ට ඔව් ඒක මේ replace කරන්න වෙනවද SSD එක නැත්නම් මේ SSD issue එකක් නම් SSD එක replace කරන්න වෙනවා board එක issue එකක් නම් board එක repair කරන්න වෙනවා alright මං අද හවස් වෙලා આવොත් ඇරලා නේද මං එහෙනම් අද දවල් වෙලා එනවා okay, thank you. They're late today. It's like 12 o'clock. I forgot to mention that replacing the SSD might not solve it because it might be an issue on the port. So I need to check for that as well. So I'm going to this guy to check it out. Alright, I'm almost there. I just got out of the place and it turns out there's a bigger issue. It's not the SSD that's not working, it seems. Something has gone wrong with the port, so I need to get the port fixed. They are willing to fix it for around $20,000. Good thing that I didn't get a SSD already and try to do it myself. So I'm not exactly sure whether to repair the laptop right now or not. Also, Monday is usually our busiest day at Bearpeel. Like there are orders from 1.5 days to fulfill from like Saturday evening to, so I couldn't shoot anything else. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow.